Hey, beautiful people. Y'all ready? Let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Welcome to Simply Ellie's Channel. I hope you like what you see on my side of town. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. I truly enjoy your feedback. Share it out to everyone you know. Now let's get into the video. Welcome back to another video, everyone. So we're going to start by sprucing up our space for the new year. I'm going to show you how to make this DIY candle stand holder. This is going to be one of the simplest, easiest candle stand holders you guys can make, all from the Dollar Tree, or should I say mainly from the Dollar Tree. And these are the items that you're going to need. The first thing we're going to do is heat up our hot glue gun. And if you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use this Dollar Tree brand Fix-All adhesive, or you can use the E6000. Whatever super glue adhesive you have on hand, use that for this DIY. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add these glass gems to the candle holder jar. This is optional, you don't have to, but I just really love how it gave a pretty effect on the outside of the candle holder, which is like an iridescent color, really pretty. Once we have that done, we're going to put that to the side, and let's go ahead and move on to this candle stand. As you see, I'm adding the hot glue gun to the base of this candle stand. And if you don't have a hot glue gun, like I said, you can use the Fix-All adhesive that's from Dollar Tree, or the E6000 glue as well. Anything you have on hand that's going to be a really good super glue base will be good for this. So once you have the candle holder jar on top of the candle holder stand, I know that's a lot, you're going to take this candle holder glass plate and we're going to place that on top, position it how we want to, and also keep in mind that all three of these items are heat resistant, so you want to make sure that you're using things that is not going to melt when having a candle on top of it. Once we figure out how we're going to position the glass plate on top of this candle holder, we're going to then go ahead and put the hot glue around the edges of it, and make sure you put enough hot glue so that way you don't have to go back and put more, because if you know how hot glue works, it dries up really quickly. So you're just going to place the candle holder glass plate on top, and from here you can really just go as it is. You wanted to, but I'm gonna add some glitz and glam to it because that's just how I am. So the last real step to this is just, giving it your own little spunk. And I'm just gonna add some of these gem strips to this. You can have your scissors on hand, and then you're just gonna go to town and decorate your candle stand however you may like. I'm really big on making things pretty and bright and cute, so I figured I need to add these gem strips to it just to give it my own little personalized spin on it. I just didn't want the candle stand to just be as is, although it is really pretty, but I just wanted to add some extra oomph to it. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I hope you guys make one of these DIY candle stand holders for yourselves, or for someone you may know or is looking for a candle stand holder. This is the perfect idea for you to make for them. So easy, so cheap, so fun to make. I really enjoy making things, anything, okay? I enjoy making it. That's right up my alley, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and vibe out, finish up this decor, and wrap up this video. finished product of this candle stand holder. I am so happy with the outcome of this beautiful DIY. Definitely give it a try for yourself. And I definitely had to break out a whole new fresh candle by Bath & Body Works. This one is Gift Chair. If you have not seen the haul I did last year for the candle they sell, I'll leave a link right above so you can go straight to it and check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.